Hello tech lovers, today's video is on Top 5 Best 4K Camera on Amazon. Through extensive research, and based on quality, we've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's features, performance of its particular side, or necessary topics, we've got you covered with more information on this 4K camera. We have also included the links in the description box down below. You can like the video, show your creativity in the comment section, and subscribe for more tech-related videos. We upload multiple videos in a week. Now, let's get started. We can start things off with AKASO EK7000 Pro 4 Kelvin Action Camera. The AKASO EK7000 Pro camera provides 4K and 30 feet video, 1080 pixel and 60 feet and 20 megapixel images that capture every moment with crisp clarity and detail. Ultra 2 inches touchscreen with IPS displays everything clearly and brightly. It is easy to alter settings, change shooting modes, playback and preview footage. The built-in electronic image stabilization ensures smooth and steady videos. AKASO EK7000 Pro Sports Camera ensures excellent experience in shooting fast-moving objects. Equipped with a new waterproof case, the underwater camera can go deep as 13 feet and is ready to record every detail of your experiences. It is ideal for water sports, such as surfing, swimming, diving, and snorkeling. You can adjust the angle of view of this action camera based on the requirements of yours between super wide as well as wide, medium, and narrow. It is easier to hit someone using a lower angle. If you have a higher angle, you'll be able to observe more. Up next, we have Dragon Touch 4K action camera in our list. Professional 4K and 30 fps video, 2.7K and 30 fps video, 10 to 80 pixel and 60 fps videos, and 16 megapixel photo resolution allow you to capture thrilling moments for yourself. The camera on the helmet also has a zoom levels ranging of 1.0x up to 4.0x. The camera should be placed in the waterproof case and secure attach it. The camera can dive to a depth of less than 100 feet 30 meters. It is perfect for water sports, such as surfing, swimming, diving, or snorkeling. Attach the remote to your wrist and detach the action camera onto your helmet or selfie stick, etc. Convenient to record your moments on the go. This camera for sports has various functions like driving mode and image rotation, as well as time-lapse, burst photos, loop recording, slow motion drama shot, exposure, as well as white balance. This camera can be used in higher levels of performance than your expectations. Share and save your sports camera images on your tablet or phone via the app XDV with Wi-Fi signal ranges from 33 feet. 2.5-inch screen lets you preview the video using a mini camera. Action cameras with 4K stabilization come with two rechargeable 1050 mAh battery. Each battery is able to record for up for 90 minutes. Additionally, there is a valuable accessory kit, which are also compatible with most cameras including GoPro. The very next 4K camera, we have Ossyl 4K digital camera. The digital camera we use offers high bit rate, 4K resolution video with 30 fps, and clear images at 48 megapixel, without losing any detail. The 4K camera can also support the digital zoom of 16x. Autofocus is not available. The tiltable screen for viewing is ideal for self-portraits and video blogging. You'll appreciate the curving rubber grip on the front that you can wrap your finger comfortably without having to be worried about falling and damaging the camera. It's perfect for those who are happy snapper who just hopes to get good quality photos without a lot of effort. You can capture photos or videos quickly once you've switched on. Menus are simple and the front dial for setting the mode is simple to use and makes it an ideal digital camera for novices and novices. With its wide-angle lens, this camera for photography can be used to take an additional 45% of images with each snap. There aren't any dark corners as other lenses do. The macro lens is able to magnify the area around you to take stunning pictures, with super close-ups and capture as much detail that it is able to. With this camera that is 4K, it is possible to take amazing photos of landscapes, people, as well as selfies. Videos and photos are instantly accessible via mobile phones online using Wi-Fi, allowing people to share your joy for the first time without waiting. The video pause function allows users to stop recording and resume whenever you're ready. It can be useful in reducing time editing videos. The YouTube camera that is used for vlogging can be used as a webcam to enable live streaming. The camera for vlogging also includes loop video, time-lapse, as well as slow video capabilities. Small but strong for the size, this camera is ideal to carry around in your pocket in those instances when you need to travel light but not needing to carry a lot of lenses. We also give you the 32 GTF card as well as an extra battery that will help you take pictures without worrying about power source. Furthermore, we have Hojocojo 4K video camera in our list. This camera can support 4K 3840 x 2160 resolution for video, 48.0 megapixel image resolution. It supports night vision, 18x digital camera, time-lapse function, PC camera function, 3.0-inch flip screen with IPS remote control, recording while charging, and the list goes on. You are able to use these options to record HD video and natural color photography. The night vision camera fitted with IR LED lighting to shoot night vision shots. You can take white and black video or photos in dark conditions with no visible light or low lighting. The camera has 2 high-capacity batteries. One fully charged battery will last for between 90 and 150 minutes. You can also record videos while charging. This means you are able to record as long however you want and don't worry about battery drain. The video camera isn't only equipped with an 2.4 gigawatts remote control, but its remote control range is up to 50 feet. It is remote controlled from all angles. All participants are left out of the group picture. It also has a Wi-Fi function. By downloading the XDV Pro app, it turns your phone into a remote control for the camcorder in 4K, and browse pictures or download the files from the camera to your mobile phones via Wi-Fi to share with your loved ones. In contrast to the camera that has in the microphone that is external, this camera for YouTube recently has an AKASO 575 microphone chip integrated into it, which is able to detect audio with high sensitivity and record it clearly, without any omission. In conjunction with the built-in fill light, it is able to make the pictures you want even in dim light environment. An all-in-one device can make your travel gear smaller. This digital camcorder is able to record video at intervals, low-speed video detection, self-shooting, time-lapse, and continuous recording. The compact, lightweight, and user-friendly digital camcorder comes fitted with top-quality materials and the latest technology. It can record quality images and is an ideal gift to family and friends to capture their most memorable memories and travel moments. We can finish it up with Rove R2 4K dash camera. The Rove R2 4K is a dash camera that can record videos at a 2160 pixels resolution. Ultra HD video recording quality is so high that you won't notice better clarity and contrast than the other dash cameras. Revolutionary super night vision technology, ultra low lens T 96660 or Sony IXX 335 can help you get more clear images and footage when recording in low light conditions. Utilize Rove's Rove app to browse and manage dash camera recordings immediately on both iOS and Android devices. Through the app, you can download your video recordings 4K videos directly onto your phone and later simply share them via social media to loved ones and friends. The built-in GPS precisely records your location on the road and your speed. Check your route on the road and tracker on Google Maps using Wi-Fi via the app or the car DV player. We offer a free firmware upgrade to this camera for cars. The car dashboard camera features f1.8 apertures, the biggest in the industry, parking mode, motion detector, 150-degree wide-angle lens, G-sensor loop cycle recording, slow-mo video, time-lapse, and supports up to 512 GB Class 10 micro SD cards with U3 speeds. The dash camera in automobiles is covered by a full 1-year warranty. Contact us via text for faster response or email our customer support and we'll answer all of your queries and resolve problems that arise fast. If you're unsure, the product comes with the possibility of a full refund within 30 days. If you like the video and find it helpful, you can always give a like on this video. Smash that subscribe button for more tech-related, informative videos. The links to all products we have talked about are in the description box down below. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, have fun and keep up the good work.